As reliable fly ash sources become increasingly more difficult to find, Pumice Pozzolan is perfectly positioned to retake its rightful place as the premier concrete pozzolan. The use of pumice as a pozzolan to enhance concrete durability and longevity is nothing new to the construction world. Ancient Greek and Roman structures are monumental examples of combining this natural volcanic ash, which the Romans called pozzolana, with lime to form amazing concrete structures that have endured the test of time for thousands of years. Many of the same benefits pozzolan provided those ancient concrete structures are available today when used in conjunction with our modern-day Portland cement. Even as recent as the early and mid-20th century, finely ground pumice was used in the building of mass concrete structures. For example, the Los Angeles Aqueduct in 1912, and 30 years later, the Fayette Dam. It was also used by the Tulsa, Oklahoma Water District's Altus Dam project in 1945. Perhaps the most well-known project to take advantage of the benefits of natural pumice pozzolan was built under the direction of the Bureau of Reclamation and finished in 1964, the Glen Canyon Dam. This massive 710-foot high structure has a crest length of 1,560 feet and contains 4,901,000 cubic yards of concrete. In spite of these early successes in the placing of mass concrete structures, the ready-mix market in general didn't demand investment in the kind of high-end concrete that required a refined pumice pozzolan. Without that demand, the quantifying research wasn't performed. By the time the durability problems of ordinary Portland cement were realized and the need for pozzolan identified, a less expensive waste byproduct from the coal-fired power generation industry had been discovered. This fly ash also possessed pozzolanic properties, and because it was so readily available, was quickly adopted by the industry as the standard pozzolanic supplement in ready-mix concrete. More recent in-depth research, along with a better understanding of concrete chemistry, has since provided a great deal of useful knowledge into the underlying factors that contribute to the long-term durability of concrete. Thus, the need for natural pozzolans has returned. Among the list of benefits brought to the table by natural pozzolans, including pumice, are mitigation of ASR, alkali-silica reaction. ASR is a cancerous gel that develops in concrete in the presence of high alkali aggregates. This gel will grow and expand over time, causing the concrete to crack from the inside out, greatly reducing the life cycle of the structure. Improving resistance to sulfate attack up to a Class 3 severe sulfate exposure rating. External sulfate attacks can occur when sulfate solutions are introduced to the concrete, as is the case when used as an ice melt or other applications. Resistance to chloride penetration as a result of greater concrete density. When chlorides are able to penetrate hardened concrete, they can eventually reach the reinforcing steel, causing corrosion and a subsequent reduction in structural strength. Coefficient of thermal expansion. This is a measurement of expansion or contraction when a material is heated or cooled respectively. Tests with pumice pozzolan indicate no significant deviation from the control in this regard. Increased long-term strengths. As the available amorphous silica in pumice pozzolan continues to come in contact with the free calcium within the Portland cement concrete, long-term conversion of these deleterious elements to desirable calcium silicate hydrate will continue to occur, contributing to long-term strengths that will eventually exceed that of the control sample. When choosing a source for natural pozzolan, other important aspects to consider are functional consistency and the performance quality of the natural pozzolan source. Hess Pumice is fortunate to have one of the purest and most consistent commercial deposits of pumice in the world. As a result of the volcanic ash landing on a prehistoric mountain lake, the heavier impurities normally found in many other deposits were washed out and sank to the bottom of the lake, leaving behind a deposit of 99% pure pumice. Other strong considerations are reliability and supply capacity. With regards to capacity, Hess is currently producing and selling approximately 20,000 tons of quality natural pozzolan annually, with the ability to expand in order to meet future market demands. Concerning reliability, Hess Pumice Products was founded in 1958 by father and son Marion and Marvin Hess, and has been in continuous operation for over 6 decades. As a result of their attention to detail and their philosophy of on-spec, on-time, Hess Pumice has become a major player in the natural pozzolan and pumice industries. Through advanced grinding and blending technologies, Hess currently has over 100 products that ship to 26 countries around the globe, and has a reputation for superior quality, logistical expertise, and unmatched customer service. For additional information, please contact one of the representatives listed below.